After filling your tote bags, it's time to turn those fresh ingredients into a great meal. And one standout spot that truly embraces the farm-to-table philosophy is Belching Beaver Brewery Tavern and Grill, located at 302 East Broadway, Vista. While it's known for craft beer, locals also love this place for its food menu that highlights quality ingredients and seasonal flavors. It's casual, welcoming, and the kind of spot where you can enjoy a locally brewed beer while digging into a meal that feels thoughtfully made. It's a great example of how Vista blends comfort with quality.